Hello friends, so today we will discuss about a very small important concept in the pharmacology and that is known as cheese reaction. So what do you mean by cheese reaction? So first of all, what do you mean by cheese? Cheese is a substance which contain a very huge amount of chemicals that is known as tyramine and dopa. So what is the importance of tyramine and dopa? Tyramine and dopa are the two substances which metabolized in our body by a very important enzyme that is known as monoamine oxidase. So monoamine oxidase is the enzyme that is responsible for the metabolism of tyramine and dopa in our body. So the patients which are taking MAO inhibitors, they develop a kind of reaction when they eat a cheese. That is known as cheese reaction. So let us discuss first of all what is MAO. MAO is basically an monoamine oxidase enzyme that is present in our body. There are total two types of monoamine oxidase enzymes. The first one is MAO-A and the second one is MAO-B. So there are lots of MAO inhibitors. Let us discuss one by one. So first of all, MAO-A inhibitors are chlorgyline and meclobamide. These two are the MAO-A inhibitors. And selagiline and rasagiline, MAO-B inhibitors. So when a patient will take MAO inhibitor and after taking MAO inhibitor, eat cheese, pickled meat, fish, yeast extract, beer, wines like substances which contain a very huge amount of tyramine and dopa. When these type of substances consumed by the patients who are taking MAO inhibitors, these type of substances will release a very huge amount of chemicals that is known as tyramine and dopa. And these type of chemicals which are metabolized by monoamine oxidase enzyme, as I said that the patient has taken a MAO inhibitors. So these type of indirectly acting sympathomimetic amines will escape the degradation in the gastrointestinal tract and liver, and that will reach into the systemic circulation. By reaching systemic circulation, they will displace a large amount of neurotransmitter that is known as noradrenaline from the transmitter loaded presynaptic nerve endings. That very huge amount of noradrenaline which is displaced from the synapse will lead to hypertensive crisis and cerebrovascular accident also. So this type of reaction that is seen after the eating substances which contain tyramine or dopa in a patient who has already taken a MAO inhibitor, this reaction is known as cheese reaction. So how will you manage the patient of cheese reaction? That is the second task. So the drug that we use to treat the cheese reaction, that is intravenously rapidly acting alpha blocker, phentolamine, that is the drug of choice. And the alternative drugs are prazosin and chlorpromazine. So these two drugs act as alternative drugs. So this is all about cheese reaction. It is a very simple thing. A patient has already taken a MAO inhibitor, consume a substances that will contain a large amount of chemicals like tyramine and dopa that will escape from the degradation in the liver because MAO is inhibited in this patient, and these substances will displace the very huge amount of noradrenaline from the presynaptic neuron and very huge amount of noradrenaline that goes into the synapse that will produce a reaction in the form of hypertensive crisis and cerebrovascular accident. This type of reaction is known as cheese reaction. So I have again explained it a very simplified way. So this is a very important concept that you have to know from central nervous system in the pharmacology. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए और अगली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंचे इसके लिए इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, इस वीडियो को कमेंट कीजिए। तब तक के लिए बहुत बहुत